Morning, folks. Milk Bunny back with y'all again today. One of my local schools reached out to me about making some placards for one of their little groups, like president, vice president, some other stuff. Simple project. I made these on the Sculpfun S30 and on the Algolaser. So I'll show you the difference in a couple of those. Both lasers perform great. I like the outcome of them. So let's see if we can get this thing started and show y'all a little bit. Alright guys, here's the project. I've been cutting them on the Sculpfun and with the Algolaser. This was the Algolaser. This one right here and several of the other ones off Sculpfun. But now I've already cleaned this one. I haven't cleaned this here yet, so that's why it's a little hazy looking. That's what we're about to do now. I just, with this material, it's a 1/4 inch birch with a pre-finish on one side. It's a UV finish, resin finish. I really like it. So all you gotta do is take alcohol, put on a little cloth, rub over it, and most of this suet and any little stuff comes right off. So I really like that. So I'm gonna clean these up real quick, and then we'll put them together, and I'll show you how they look.